Namaste. I'm Dr. Acharya Prakash, founder of Nepal Yoga Home. I have done master degree in yogic science and human consciousness and PhD in meditation. Today, I'm going to make a beautiful package of yoga. On this session, we are doing meditation, pranayama, and asana. All you're welcome to Himalayan country Nepal, the motherland of yoga. Every corner of Nepal, it is full of the positive vibe, good vibration, and it is best fit for yoga, meditation, and spiritual seeker. Yoga comes from Sanskrit or use, which means connection, integration, or unification. Unification of body, mind, and soul is yoga. Yoga is great art of living. It can transform your every aspect of life. Yoga transforms your monkey mind to monk mind. Yoga is journey of slavery of mind to the salvation of mind. Yoga gives the harmony of head, heart, and hands. It means mind, emotions, and action. Now, we are going to do meditation. Meditation is death of all kind of suffering. Meditation keeps us healthy, happy, energetic, and efficient. Meditation develops gray matter in our brain, which is good for deciding and thinking. Meditation helps to cool down our DMN, default mode network, which makes free from overthinking. If we have regular practice of meditation, it develops efficiency of prefrontal cortex. Now, we are going to do here and now meditation. It keeps you present moment. First of all, keep your both hands in gesture of the wisdom, joining your tip of the index and thumbs. Rest three fingers are straight and joining each other's. Place over the knee. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Take few long and deep breaths. Keep your whole attention over your breath. Be aware how your breath going in and out. Let free your thoughts, intellect, and emotion. Just keep your complete attention over your breath. Be aware to your every single flow of your breath. Just your complete attention over your breath. Just breath is existing. Try to be one with your breath. Your breath is moving in present moment. Learn through your every single breath, art of present living. Is my breath moving in present moment? I must live in present moment. Be aware to every single impact of the breath. How your breath entering through your nostril, what kind of sensation it is generating, how your breath expanding your ribcage, diaphragm, and lungs. While you exhale, how your chest is falling, how your ribcage and lungs are synchronizing, how your breath passing through your throat and exiting through the nostril. Be more aware, be more conscious. When you deepen into your breath, just pure consciousness will left. Just eternal bliss has left. Just be one with that eternal bliss. Be more aware to your every single flow of your breath. Breath is so divine. Suddenly, you start to connect with your divinity, your divine nature. Be there. Just be quiet and calm. Learn through every single breath, art of present living. At any cost, at any way, at anyhow, I must make my present more joyful, more peaceful, more impactful, more meaningful. Just be aware to your every single flow of your breath. Feel immense pleasure with your every flow of your breath. Just be one with your breath. Be one with your breath. Be one with your breath. Now, gently rub your palms. Make it warm. Touch your eyes. Heal yourself. Be thankful to yourself. Open your eyes inside your palm and slowly come out.